In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity and project management platform designed to help teams and individuals stay organized and efficient. Sometimes you may want to update the language settings in your account to better suit your preferences or make the platform easier to use. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change the language in your ClickUp account. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just looking for a quick refresher, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in to your ClickUp account. You can do this by entering your email and password, or if you've connected your account to a provider like Google, you can use that option to log in instead. After signing in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar, or if you don't have an avatar set, your initials displayed in that area. Click on your profile icon and this will open a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Settings. Once you're in the Settings view, make sure you're on the My Settings tab. This tab is where you'll find all the personal settings for your account. Now, scroll down the page until you locate the section called Language and Region. In this section, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Language. Click on this drop-down menu to open the list of available languages. From here, simply choose your preferred language. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the one that's right for you. Once you've made your selection, look for the Save Changes button and click it. This will apply your new language setting to your ClickUp account. In some cases, the interface might not update right away. If you don't see the changes immediately, just refresh the page and your new language settings should appear. And that's it. You've successfully updated the language in your ClickUp account. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your tasks today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.